Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you add payment method in LinkedIn Learning. So firstly, log into your LinkedIn Learning portal. So if you haven't, so once you have logged into your portal, click on your top right here, click on your profile picture there, and then click on settings, go to settings. So here, what you're going to do is click on account type. So next to it, you'll have manage this. So click on manage. So what it's going to do, it's going to take you to the manage page. So here, so click on manage subscription, click on that. So when you see click on manage subscription here, third option you'll see manage payment methods, so click on that. So click on it, and here you'll be able to like delete or edit your current payment payment details. And then if you want to add something, you can click on change here. So if you click on change, so you can add your new payment method or whatever that's available to you. So all you have to do is, or you want to delete something, then you can just click on this button here, and then you can add a new one, new payment method based on the availability. So that's how it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.